Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 13, leçon W. So we will discover in this lesson the tricky stems of irregular verbs in the conditionnel présent tense. Okay, so I've been covering already this conditionnel présent, explaining how to use it, how to construct it. So I think that if it's not really clear in your mind, I would definitely advise you to have a look at the video. But then if we make it fast, I mean, the main concept is that, of course, we will start with the stem, we will add the endings, okay, and then we'll get this conditionnel présent. When it comes to the endings, for the singular, it will be AIS for je, and you pronounce it e. It will be AIS for tu, and you pronounce it e, just the same way. And look at the good news, it will be AIT for il, elle, on, and you pronounce it e. So basically all these three forms, so obviously je and tu because you write them the same way, but the last one will be pronounced the same way too. So it will be for je, e, for tu, e, and then for il, elle, on, it will be e, tu. Okay, so when it comes to the plural form, let's have a look. For nous, it will be ions, and you pronounce it yon. For vous, it will be iez, and you pronounce it ye. And then look at that for il and elle at the plural form. So you write it a-i-e-n-t, okay? But you will pronounce it e. So only e. Be careful. Students tend to make a lot of mistakes with these forms. So remember, you've got a lot of letters, but then you only pronounce it e. Okay? So one more time. For nous, it will be yon. For vous, it will be ye. And then for il, elle, it will be e. Okay? So the way we'll do it, I will first read it like to go, aller, ir. And then I will put the nous form, nous irions. Okay, so I will do the same thing for all the verbs now. To sit, asseoir, assière, asseoir. So you can see that here you get two stems possible. So the first one will give you assiérions, which is quite challenging to pronounce. And the second one will be assoirions. To have, avoir, or. Nous aurions. To run, courir, court. Nous courrions. To pick, cueillir, nous cueillerions. To send, envoyer, nous enverrions. To be, être, sœur, nous serions. To make, to do, faire, faire, nous ferions. To die, mourir, mour, nous mourrions. To be able to, pouvoir, pour, nous pourrions. To know, savoir, sort, nous saurions. To hold, tenir, tiendre, nous tiendrions. To be worth, valoir, vaudre, nous vaudrions. To come, venir, viendre, nous viendrions. To see, voir, vers, nous verrions. To wish, to want, vouloir, voudre, nous voudrions. To notice, apercevoir, apercevoir. nous apercevrions. To conceive, concevoir, conceuvre. Nous concevrions. To deceive, décevoir, déceuvre. Nous décevrions. To owe, to have to, devoir, d'œuvre. Nous devrions. To perceive, percevoir, perceuvre. Nous percevrions. To receive, recevoir, recevoir. Nous recevrions. So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.